Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you are watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you create your header in your website. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Here you can see my website. There is no header in this website. I will tell you how you add a header in your WordPress website. Just click on Added with Elementor. Here you can see the Elementor is loading, and go to your dashboard, and here you can see the appearance and click on menu. Let's create a menu. Create a new menu. Menu name and click on man. Create menu, and here you can see the custom link. Click on custom links, and here you can use your page URL, but I don't have a page now, just I use a hashtag. And here you can see the link text, like what you add in your menu. First of all, I add a home. Second, about us. Third, pricing. Sorry, paste here. Add to the menu. Sales. Add to the menu. Hashtag, and last one, contact us. Click on add menu. When you add your menu, just click on save menu. Areas menu is saved successfully. Menu has been updated. Go to your website and refresh your Elementor page. Click on this plus icon and again click on this plus icon, and here you can see the column 1 2 3 4. I need just 3 column. Click on it, and here you can see the column is here, 3 column, and I add menu here. Just search menu, nav menu, drag and drop the second column, and here you can see the menu, main menu. Select the menu 1. Here is the menu, and I will just setting up. Click on style, click on typography, roboto, type open, and here type the size. Here you can change the color of the menu, and you can see the menu is ready. And here you can see the hover effect. I just use the hover effect. White hover color. I just change the hover color yellow, so you can see the yellow color. And I just remove this underline. When I over this in the menu, I just remove this. Click on pointer, and you can see none. And you can see the underline is gone. So I also add a logo here. You can just image section, you can just drag and drop here. Click on choose image, select file. I use my logo. Here is my logo. Open and insert media. You can see the logo size is too big. Full size. Go to your style, and here you can see the word. I just add 50, and maybe yes, this is good now. You can see the logo in the middle and the menu is up on the section. You can just click on this edit section, and here you can see the vertical align. Click on middle. You can see the menu is also in the middle, and here you can see the last column. Just drag the button and drop in this section, and here I use the alignment middle and add text. Contact us. Here you can see the hashtag. You can also add the link of contact page. I change the color of contact tab, and also I change the typography. Pop in. This is default font. Size is good, and here I change the text, the button color, and you can also change the text color here. You can see I just bold the text. Click on extra bold. Here you can see the 700 bold. Yeah, this is good now. And you can also change the hover effect. You can see there is no hover effect in this button. You can also add the hover. Click on hover, and here you can see the hover animation. You can also add the hover animation. I just click on grow. Here you can see the hover effect is grow, and you can also change the text color white too, and the background color. You can also change this like this. You can see. So now the desktop header is ready, and you can also this header get responsive. You can just click on this responsive icon, and here you can see the tab icon. Click on tablet, and you can the size is small. I use 15 column, and here you can see the contact button. I just small a font size 14, and I click on menu, and here you can see the breakpoint. I just use none, and I small the size font size. Now I increase the column size, column width. Yeah, now it's good. I decrease this column size, the button column size, and also change the font size. Yeah, this is good now. You can see the header is perfect in the tablet mode. Just click on update. Now go to your mobile responsive. Click on mobile responsive. Here you can see the mobile responsive is too bad. I just fixed that. Click on column, and here you can use 15 column width, and click on the menu. Click on content. Click on breakpoint, and click on mobile. Here you can see I just click on column and give them width 20. Just click on button column, the size give. Yes, this is good now. Increase the size of logo, the size of logo column. .30 is good, and increase the width of the logo. 60 is good now. Increase the size of menu column. Yeah, this is good now. And I also change the color of menu bar. Just click on menu and go to your style section. Go to your toggle button, and here you can see the color. I just use the color white. This is good now. And also you can use background. but I don't use the background, so I forget this background. And you can also change the size here, and you can see the drop down is to add, so click on back drop down, click on text color white, click on background color, just use the background color blue, and you can go the content section, and here you can see the align, you can get a center, and here you can say the full width, click on full width. Now you can see here is the full width. Now you can see the over color is too bad, just click on style, click on drop down and click on over. You can also change the color here and the background color. I use the background color white and text color black. So now click on menu and you can see the menu is now good. So click on update and preview your page. You can see the header is good now, and also I check on the tablet, and you can see the tablet, and you can see now in the mobile section. So this is the video. I hope you like the video. Must subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So we will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.